सुप्रभातं छात्राः। नवमः पाठः सप्तभगिन्यः। सप्तभगिन्यः means seven sisters. Bhaginyah means sisters, sapta seven. Do you know about which seven sisters are we going to learn in this lesson? Yes, you are right. We are going to learn about seven states of our country which are considered as seven sisters. Do you know what are those states? Yes, northeast states. There are seven northeastern states, though, like Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Sikkim, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya, Nagaland. Like this, there are seven northeastern states. Those seven states are called as Sapta Bhaginyaha, seven sisters. As these seven states are look similar due to their natural resources, cultural habits, all those things. These are called as Saptabhaginyaha, seven sisters. So let us learn about these seven states in detail in this lesson. Adhyapika Suprabhatam. Chhatraha Suprabhatam Suprabhatam. Adhyapika Bhavatu Adya Kim Pataniyam. Chhatraha Vayam Sarve Swadeshasya Rajyanam Vishaye Jnatumichamaha. Adhyapika Suprabhatam. Chhatraha Suprabhatam Suprabhatam. Adhyapika Bhavatu Adya Kim Pataniyam. Chhatraha Vayam Sarve Swadeshasya Rajyanam Vishaye Jnatum Ichchamaha. So here in this lesson we are going to know about those seven northeast states in the form of conversation between teacher and students. So Adhyapika enters the class and says Suprabhatam, good morning. Chhatraha Suprabhatam Suprabhatam. Everyone together saying good morning. Adhyapika Bhavatu Adya Kim Pataniyam. Okay, what is have to learn today? Chhatraha Vayam Sarve Swadeshasya Rajyanam Vishaye Jnatumichchamaha. Students say that we all want to know about the states of our country. Swadeshasya Rajyanam means states of our country. Vishaye Jnatumichchamaha, want to know. So let us learn something about the states of our country. Teacher, good morning. Students, good morning, good morning. Teacher, okay, what do we need to learn today? Students, we all want to know about states of our country. Adhyapika, teacher. Suprabhatam, good morning. Chhatraha, students. Bhavatu, okay. Adya, today. Sarve, all. Swadeshasya, of our country. Rajyanam, of states. Vishaye, about. Jnatumichchamaha, want to know. Adhyapika Shobhanam Vadata Asmakam Deshe Kati Rajyani Santi. Saira Chaturvimshatihi Mahodeye. Silvi Nahi Mahabhage Panchavimshati Rajyani Santi. Adhyapika Shobhanam Vadata Asmakam Deshe Kati Rajyani Santi. Saira Chaturvimshatihi Mahodeye. Adhyapika Shobhanam. Very good. Vadata Asmakam Deshe Kati Rajyani Santi. Please tell me how many states are there in our country. Kati Rajyani means how many states. Asmakam Deshe, in our country. Saira says Chaturvimshatihi Mahodeye. There are 24 states in our country. Silvi Nahi Mahabhage. No madam, it's not right. Panchavimshatihi Rajyani Santi. There are 25 states in our country. Teacher, good. Tell me, how many states are there in our country? Saira, teacher, 24. Selvi? No, teacher, there are 25 states. Shobhanam, good. Vadata, tell. Deshe, in the country. Kati, how many. Rajyani, states. Chaturvimshatihi, 24. Nahi, no. Panchavimshatihi, 25. अध्यापिका अन्यः कोऽपि स्वर मध्ये एव महोदये मे भगिनी कथयति यत् अस्माकं देशे 28 राज्यानि सन्ति एतदतिरिच्य 9 केन्द्रशासितप्रदेशाः अपि सन्ति अध्यापिका अन्यः कोऽपि स्वर मध्ये एव महोदये मे भगिनी कथयति यत् अस्माकं देशे 28 राज्यानि सन्ति एतत् अतिरिच्य 9 केन्द्रशासितप्रदेशाः अपि सन्ति. So अध्यापिका teacher is asking अन्यः कोऽपि anyone else know about the number of states of our country. स्वरा मध्ये एव in between. महोदये मे भगिनी कथयति यत् my sister says that अस्माकं देशे 28 राज्यानि सन्ति. There are 28 states in our country. 28 means 28. एतदतिरिच्य 9 केन्द्रशासितप्रदेशाः अपि सन्ति. Apart from that 9 union territories also there. Teacher, anyone else? Swara in between. Madam, my sister says that in our country there are 28 states and 9 union territories are there. अन्यः कोऽपि anyone else मध्ये एव in between मे my भगिनी sister कथयति says 28 एतदतिरिच्य after that 9 केन्द्रशासितप्रदेशाः union territories अपि also. So children, we learned first part of the lesson today. Learn thoroughly with meanings and translation. Let us continue tomorrow. Thank you children.